In this video, you'll learn how to refund a buyer on eBay. By following these instructions, you will be able to navigate the process smoothly and ensure a satisfactory resolution for both you and the buyer. Begin by logging into your eBay seller account. Once you are signed in, locate the orders section, which is typically found in the main menu. This area contains a list of all your recent transactions. Look for the specific transaction that requires a refund and click on the order details to view the complete purchase information. It is essential to determine the reason for the reason, whether it is due to a return or a cancellation. Understanding the issue will help you address it effectively. Remember that communication with the buyer is crucial during this process, as professional handling can enhance customer trust. Next, within the order details page, find and click the Send Refund option. This will prompt you to choose whether you want to issue a full or partial refund. If you select a partial refund, enter the specific refund amount you wish to provide. You may also include a short explanation for the refund if necessary. Before proceeding, take a moment to confirm the refund request to ensure that all details are correct. Refunds are typically processed through the original payment method used by the buyer. Reviewing the refund details carefully is important, as accurate processing can prevent potential disputes later on. After you submit the refund request, eBay will process it. This may take a few moments, depending on the volume of transactions being handled at that time. Once the refund is processed, you should notify the buyer about the update. eBay will generally send a confirmation message regarding the status of the refund, but it is a good practice to reach out personally as well. Keeping the buyer informed demonstrates professionalism and can enhance their overall experience. Monitor the order to ensure that the transaction is fully completed. This includes confirming that the refund has been issued and that the buyer is satisfied with the resolution. It is advisable to keep records of all refunds for future reference, as this can help you track your business performance and handle any potential disputes that may arise later. Efficiently managing refunds is essential for maintaining a good seller reputation on eBay. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.